Milestone C, we work with robotics, drones, AI, coding, software, engineering, 3D modeling, electronics, really any new age technology. And we try to help schools keep pace with that technology in their STEM learning, their technology learning, K to 12. We look at what industry is doing, and then we help bring that into the classroom. We focus on enhanced engagement, we focus on tech skills, and we focus on career skills. And that's something that students are actually struggling a lot with, is those career skills like critical thinking, teamwork, conflict resolution, trying to meet customer demands. They really struggle with that these days. So that's where we focus, is those three legs of the stool. How we do this in the classroom is we focus on project-based learning and at younger ages, play-based learning, and we bring enhanced engagement to them. So we make it cool. The kids are growing up in a very cool world, and to challenge that, to rival that, we need to make it cool. Robotics, drones are very cool, right? It's very easy to get them engaged, and then you drive into that the tech and career skills that they need to be learning. We do a variety of things at Milestone C, from curriculum, professional development, coaching and support. We provide the equipment and software you need, to consulting, and really anything that schools need in these topic areas.